Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 5 OV 100. तेथेची चरणी बांधोनी घुंगुर, खंजिरीची या तालावर, नाचावे बाबांनी अतिसुंदर, गावे ही मधुर प्रेमाने. Here, tying jingling bells around his feet, he would dance gracefully and sing melodiously with devotion to the accompaniment of a tambourine. आरंभी साई समर्थास, दीपोत्सवाची मोठी हौस, तदर्थ स्वये दुकानदारास, तेल मागावयास ते जात. In the early days, the great Sai was very fond of burning oil lamps. Therefore, he himself used to go to the shopkeepers and ask for oil. घेऊनिया टमरेल हाती, वाण्या तेलांच्या दुकानाप्रती, स्वयं तेलाची भिक्षा मागती, आणुनी भरती पणत्यात. Carrying a tumbler-like container in his hand, he begged for oil from the shops of the grocers and oilmongers. After bringing it, he would fill the earthen oil lamps. पणत्या लावीत झगझगीत, देवळी आणि मशिदीत, ऐसे काही दिवसपर्यंत सदोदित चालले. He burnt the lamps brightly in the temples and the masjid. This continued for some time. दीपाराधनी बहुप्रीत, दिवाळीचाही दीपोत्सव करीत, चिंध्या काढुनी वाती वळीत, दीप उजळीत मशिदी. Out of love for the worship of the light, he even celebrated Deepavali with illumination. He would make twisted wicks from rags and would burn the lamps in the masjid. तेल तो रोज आणित फुकट, वाणिया मनी आले कपट, सर्वा मिळूनी केला कट, पुरे कटकट ही आता. He brought the oil daily, free of charge. Therefore, the oilmongers conspired against him to put an end to this nuisance. पुढे नित्य नियमानुसारता, बाबा तेल मागू येता, सर्वांनीही नाही म्हणता, काय आश्चर्यता वर्तली. Later, when Baba went to ask for oil as usual, and when all refused, look what a wonder took place. बाबा निमुट गेले परत, काकडे सुकेची ठेवले पणत्यात, तेल नसता हे काय करीत, वाणी पहात मौजती. Baba went back without a word and put the dry wicks in the earthen lamps. What could he do without the oil? The grocers watched that fun. मशिदीच्या जोत्यावरील, बाबा उचलुनी घेती टमरेल, त्यात होते इवलेसे तेल, कष्टे लागेल सांजवात. Baba picked up a pot which was on the parapet of the masjid, in which there was little oil, not enough even to light the evening lamp. त्या तेलात घातले पाणी, स्वयं बाबा गेले पिऊनी, ऐसे ते ब्रह्मार्पण करुनी, निव्वळ पाणी घेतले. Then he put water into the oil, and Baba drank it. Thus, having offered it to Brahman, he took pure water. मग ते पाणी पणत्यात ओतुनी, सुके काकडे पूर्ण भिजवुनी, तयासी कांडे ओढुनी लावुनी, दीप पेटवुनी दाविले. Then he poured the water in the lamps and soaked the dry wicks completely, struck the matchsticks and lit the lamps for all to see. पाहुनिया ते पाणी पेटे, वाणी घालिती तोंडात बोटे, बाबासी आपण वदलो खोटे, केले ओखटे मनी म्हणती. Seeing the lamps burning with water, the grocers were dumbfounded. They felt disgusted with themselves that they had lied to Baba. तेल नसता अणुमात्र, पण त्या जळाल्या सर्व रात्र. वाणी साईंच्या कृपेसी अपात्र, वंदू सर्वत्र लागले. Even though there was not a drop of oil, the lamps burnt throughout the night. People started commenting that the shopkeepers had now lost Sai's grace. बाबांचा हा काय प्रताप, असत्य भाषणे झाले पाप. दिधला बाबासी व्यर्थ संताप, हा पश्चात्ताप वाणिया. The grocers felt repentant for having harassed Baba, causing him anguish without any reason, and having committed the sin of uttering lies. They thought how great is Baba's power. बाबांच्या ते नाही मनी, रागद्वेषा नातळे जनी. शत्रु मित्र तयाना कोणी, सर्व ही प्राणी सारिखे. Baba never thought of this. He was never angry or hated any person. He had no friends or foes, and all creatures were equal for him. असो आता पूर्वानुसंधान, कुस्तीत यशस्वी मोहितीन. याहुनी पुढील चरित्र महिमान, दत्तावधान परिसिजे. So be it. We will continue with the former episode, Muhiddin's victory in the wrestling bout. Further, the life story is very interesting. Please listen attentively. कुस्तीनंतर 5वे वर्षी फकीर अहमदनगर निवासी, जव्हार अल्ली नामजयासी, आला रहा त्यासी सशिष्य. 5 years after the wrestling bout, a fakir called Jawhar Ali of Ahmednagar came to reside in Rahata along with his disciple. पाहुनी एक उघडी बखळ, वीरभद्राचे देवळाजवळ. फकीराने दिधला तळ, फकीर तो सबळ दैवाचा. Finding an open place near the temple of Veerbhadra, the fakir camped there. This fakir was very fortunate. जरी नसता तो दैवाचा, तरी तया ते लाधता कैचा. साई सारखा शिष्य मौजेचा, डंका जयाचा सर्वत्र. If he were not fortunate, how could he have acquired a delightful disciple like Sai, whose fame had already spread? लोक गावात होते अनेक, त्यातही होते मराठे कैक. त्यातील भगू सदाफळ एक, जाहला सेवक तयाचा. There were many kinds of people in the village. Amongst them were also quite a few Marathas. Out of them was one Bhagu Sadafal, who became his servitor. फकीर होता मोठा पढीक, कुराण शरीफ करताला मलक. स्वार्थी परमार्थी आणि भाविक, लागले अनेक तच्चरणी. The fakir was a great scholar. He knew the Quran Sharif like the palm of his hand. Many selfish people, genuine devotees, and those desirous of Paramartha, all alike, started worshipping him. ईदगा बांधावया आरंभ केला, ऐसा काही काळ गेला. वीरभद्रदेव बाटविला, आरोप आला त्याजवरी. He started the construction of Eidgah. After some time, he was charged with having defiled Veerbhadra. पुढे तो ईदगा बंद पडला, फकीर गावाबाहेर घालविला. तेथुनी मग तो शिर्डीसी आला, मशिदीत राहिला बाबांपाशी. Later, the construction of the Eidgah was stopped. The fakir was driven out of the village. He then came to Shirdi and stayed at the masjid with Baba. फकीर मोठा मृदुभाषणी, गाव लागला तयाचे भजनी, बाबासही काही केली करणी, घातली मोहिनी जन म्हणती. The fakir was a very sweet-tongued person. The whole village started worshipping him. The way he behaved with Baba, the people said that he had hypnotized Baba and bewitched him. हो म्हणे तू माझा चेला, स्वभाव बाबांचा बहुरंगेला, हूँ म्हणता फकीर संतोषला, घेऊनी निघाला बाबासी. Be my disciple, so said the fakir. Baba, being of a sporting nature, agreed to it. The fakir was pleased and took Baba along with him. बाबांसारिखा शिष्य सधरू, जव्हार अल्ली जाहले गुरु, मग दोघांचा जाहला विचारू, रहिवास करू राहत्यात. He got an obedient disciple like Baba. Jawahar Ali became the Guru. Both of them together decided to stay on in Rahata. गुरु नेणे शिष्याची कळा, शिष्य जाणे गुरुच्या अवकळा, परी न केव्हाही अनादर केला, स्वधर्म राखिला शिष्याचा. The Guru was not aware of the accomplishments of the disciple, but the disciple knew the shortcomings of the Guru. But he never showed any disrespect and fulfilled the duties of a disciple. गुरु मुखातुनी बाहेर आले, योग्यायोग्य नाही पाहिले, वचन वरचेवरी झेलिले, पाणीही वाहिले गुरुगृही. He did not consider the proprietary or impropriety of the Guru's orders, but carried them out meticulously. He did even the menial duties for the Guru, such as carrying water. ऐसी चालली गुरु सेवा, शिर्डीसी यावे केव्हा केव्हा, ऐसे होऊ लागले जेव्हा, काय मग तेव्हा जाहले. This went on a while. He started residing in Rahata only. People thought he had left Shirdi and had completely gone under the fakir's control. Janasi वाटे जवाहर अल्ली, साईसी निज योग बळे आकळी, साईची तो कळा वेगळी, अभिमान जाळी देहाचा. People thought that Jawahar Ali had captured Sai with his own yogic powers, but Sai's attitude was different. He wanted to destroy the bodily pride. साईसी कोठुनी आला अभिमान, श्रोते सहज करीतील अनुमान, परी हे लोकसंग्रहार्थ आचरण, अवतरण कार्य हेच. People will conjecture, where was there any pride in Sai? But this behavior was for the sake of the people, to set an example, and this is exactly the purpose of his avatar. शिर्डीस्थ बाबांचे प्रेमी भक्त, बाबांचे ठाई अति आसक्त, तयाते बाबापासूनी वियुक्त, राहणे अयुक्त वाटले. There were many loving devotees of Baba in Shirdi who were greatly attached to Baba, and they thought it improper to stay away from Baba.